Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started. Why isn't the TV working?
Maybe the remote needs new batteries.
Don't worry. Dad can fix it.
Are you sure about that, Dad? Dad, where are you going?
To get my toolbox.
Dad, do you know what each tool does?
Of course I do.
Is that the right tool?
It should be.
Please be careful, David.
I always am. Oops, oops.
I saw that! Wow!
Whoa! It's working!
Wow!
David, turn it down. David, turn it down.
I'm trying! See? Problem solved.
At least the TV works now. David, the refrigerator sounds strange.
I can fix that too.
It sounds worse now.
It's almost fixed.
Do you know what you're looking at?
Absolutely. I think I found it.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Dad, listen down here.
Where?
Right there. Dad, listen down here.
Where?
Right there.
Wait, what's this?
I think it fell off.
Dad, look at that empty spot.
Wait, that might be where this goes. Let's see if this fits.
Try it gently.
I don't think it's fixed yet.
Okay, that's new.
Dad, did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it.
Careful, both of you.
Don't worry, I'm just looking.
Dad, is that part of the refrigerator?
It looks like it. I think I know where it goes.
Then be careful.
Okay, here we go.
Easy, David. Hey!
That sounds better.
Yeah, it's quieter.
I can still feel it.
Maybe something else is moving.
Huh?
Wait,
Wait, it's stronger down here.
then that's where we should look. Dad, there's something moving in there.
Hold on. Let me see.
Dad, I think I can see something.
Yeah, you're right.
What is that? Wait, David. Don't touch it yet.
Okay, let's see what it is first.
Wait, David. Don't touch it yet.
Okay, let's see what it is first.
Dad, it looks stuck. Huh?
Yeah, I think you're right. Maybe I need a better look.
Try the light from this side. Dad, I can see the color now.
Really? What color is it?
It's blue. Blue?
Blue? That's interesting. Wait, I think it has a button.
Should we press it?
Maybe we shouldn't press it yet.
Good point. Let's figure out what it is first.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, something just clicked.
Huh?
Now I'm wondering, what fits in that slot?
Maybe there's a special key.
Maybe there's a special key. Wait, this isn't a normal slot.
Look, there's a shape inside it. Wow!
This symbol looks familiar.
Where have you seen it before?
Wait, I think I've seen this symbol somewhere else.
Dad, is it on that old box? Dad, it's the same symbol.
You're right, exactly the same. Maybe this symbol belongs to the box.
Then why was the other one under the refrigerator? Dad, look at this tiny mark.
I see it. It looks like part of a pattern.
Dad, I think that's an arrow.
And it's pointing somewhere.
Huh?
See that line? It wasn't visible before.
Could there be something hidden inside?
The arrow leads all the way down here.
So this little groove must be important.
Wait, did you see that move?
Huh? I saw it! Something moved.
Easy, Leo. Let's figure it out first.
Okay, I won't touch it. It moves when the light hits it.
Maybe the light is triggering something.
Wait, only that part moves.
Good catch. Let me try it again.
Dad, I think it follows the pattern.
Then we need to follow it carefully.
It stopped when you moved past that part.
Then that section must mean something.
Dad, look at the arrow.
It points straight to the same spot.
Dad, it connects to the old pattern.
Yeah, this was carved as one design.
The line turns toward the side.
Then that's where it wants us to look.
It gets thinner as it reaches the edge.
Keep watching it. We might miss something.
It continues around the edge.
Stay close. I can barely see it.
It's on the side too.
Then the path keeps going.
Dad, this part is deeper. Yeah.
It feels like a guide.
Wait. There are 2 lines now.
Which one continues the pattern?
The left one bends upward.
And the right one stays straight.
Dad, look at the edges.
They're not exactly the same.
Wow.
There's a tiny gap between them.
Maybe that gap is important.
The gap gets wider here.
Then it narrows again.
Wow. They turn together.
But they still don't meet.
The curve is getting tighter.
Keep watching the line.
They go around the corner.
Let's follow them carefully.
Dad, there's another mark.
I see it. The lines continue past it.
Dad, there's another line. It's running beside the others. They're getting closer.
But they're still separate.
They're almost touching.
Almost, but not quite.
Dad, look at this shape.
It looks like a small circle.
Dad, the circle has a gap.
And the gap points toward the lines.
The line goes down.
Let's follow it.
It curves again.
And there's another small line.
Dad, who are they?
They're my parents.
That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.